leaving the past behind. I know I gotta try. I made a pact, I'm not looking back till I'm on the other side. Pressing the bruises, feeling the pain. The steeper the hill when I fall, I struggle to get up again. What's for you cannot be stolen. Minds are better open. The silver lining always heads for the horizon. Power like the ocean, stronger when you're broken. You can find a silver lining when you try to follow the light, follow the sun. Now is the time that you run, 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 run. If you fall down like it's over, go in the sound of the gun. You get back up and put one foot in front of the other, and you just run. They knock you down, tear you apart. Even the floor, they break in your spirit, they stamp on your heart. What's for you cannot be stolen. Minds are better open. The silver lining always heads for the
Iba na.
horizon.
Kasi pag kayo ay organized, mas kampante ang Department of Agrarian Reform na bigyan kayo ng suporta tulad ng mga truck na ito. Lahat ng kakailanganin ng ating mga Agrarian Reform beneficiary organizations, yan ang naisip parating ng ating mahal na Secretary Conrado Estrella III. Unfortunately, hindi siya makakasama ngayon, pero pinapaabot niya ang kanyang pagsuporta sa ating mga magsasaka dahil matagal na nang hinihintay ang ating support services.
Yes, and dahil dyan, you said Jala, since Negros Occidental is known for being the land of sweet surprises, you said, we give you welcome to our Negros Island Resort!
United as one, ating simulan. Nandito ang dahil, handa kayong pakinggan. ARB ang lakas, sila ang dahilan. Sama-samang isigaw, we're united as one. Bounds no longer divide the line. Through Dar's help, ARB's also fine. Tulong at pagsulong, kami ay handa. Pataas na ang pangarap, di na bababa. United as one, ating simulan. Nandito ang dahil, handa kayong pakinggan. ARB ang lakas, sila ang dahilan. Sama-samang isigaw, we're united as one. Bounds no
We
longer
are here not only to guide you through the registration process, but also to help create opportunities where your organizations can thrive, innovate, and grow. Dahil ang layunin ng caravan na ito ay hindi lamang ang pagpunta natin dito, kundi bumuo ng isang matatag na pundasyon para sa pangmatagalang pag-unlad ng mga ARBOs at agrarian reform communities. Kaya sa ating mga ARBOs dito sa Negros Island Region, padayon lang ito.